Hello! In this video I will show you how to register in the best crypto exchange called Binance. You will see how easy and fast it is to do that. And when register, if you go to my pinned comment below in this video, I have a big surprise for you, as I have a ref link for registration in Binance, and this link will give you a kickback rate of 10%. This means that Binance will return to you the 10% of each trade commission you are paying, as you can see here in the screen. This is your commission kickback rate of 10%. So, you and me know that this is an amazing opportunity for registration on Binance and have this return of 10% of the paid commissions forever, for the entire of your life. But before register, I want to share with you why I think that Binance is the best crypto exchange of the world. The first is that Binance is the biggest crypto exchange, as you can see here in this ranking of coin market cap. So it has almost all cryptocurrencies and a lot of volume to buy or sell any coin. Okay, look and see the different volume each day that Binance has respect the second position of Huobi Global. Okay, so Binance is the largest, the biggest crypto exchange in the world. You can see here that Binance has lower fees than other commonly used exchanges and the largest variety of cryptocurrency and trading pairs, and has a more advanced charting. Okay, and Binance is best suited for people who like to trade or invest some altcoins. Okay, and you can see here that Binance dominates the global exchange space. So this is the best thing or reason that I think that Binance is the best exchange for start your crypto trading. Again, you can see here that Binance offers a mobile app and the world's largest exchange. So they say that this app is the best crypto mobile app of this year. And another amazing thing is that Binance has his own coin called BNB, that you can use to pay less amount of commissions, in this case 25% less commissions that you pay with a Bitcoin. And if you take together this discount of 25% and the discount of my ref link of 10%, it makes a great and amazing discount of fees. Okay, and you can see here that Binance is so big that it's more profitable than the Germany's biggest bank, Deutsche Bank. As you can see here, this is only the first paragraph that I want to show you, is that in the first quarter of some years ago, the Deutsche Bank made a recorded profit of 146 million, but Binance in that year recorded a profit of 200 million of profit in only the first quarter. So Binance is the best crypto exchange to start. Okay, so how to start? Go to my pinned comment, click on the ref link for have your kickback rate of 10 commission. Okay, and you can see it's very easy. You only have to write here your email, insert a good password. Okay, mark that you have read and agreed the terms of service, and create your account. You have to put this in the exact place and go your email to verify your account of Binance. Click search, and now you are in Binance. I will change this to English. Okay, and you can start to deposit cash, deposit crypto, you have crypto, or you can buy crypto with your credit card. Okay, or you can go to the dashboard and start to see the Binance exchange. Okay, you can go. Okay, you can step and write your second verification, which is very, very important. I will say remind me later. And here you can have the trades, the classic trades, or your wallet here. Here is very important to see all your coins that you will have. But right now, this is a demo account, so I don't have any crypto. You can click here in fiat and spot, and you will see all the coins that you can have. Okay, the BNB is the coin that I told you before, that you can use it to pay less commissions, that you can see here. Okay, we can see where it's. Remember later, please. Here, okay, in the trading fees, you have use BNB to pay less commission, the 25% of discount, plus the 10% of my Renlink make an amazing discount in fees. So you can see how easy and how fast it is to start to register in Binance, and I hope you like this video. It helps to you, and I wait you in my next video that we're going to make a full review of Binance. See you in my next video.